Hi, I'm Gail Pothour, a UC Sacramento County Master Gardener. It's October here in the Vegetable Demonstration Garden at the Fair Oaks Horticulture Center. Summer gardening is over and so is our straw bale garden. So today we'll tell you how to close out the season. If you watched the first two videos on straw bale gardening, you learned how to set up the bales and condition them for planting. And you also learned how to plant seeds and transplants, as well as how to irrigate and fertilize the crops. Now we're at the end of the summer growing season. The bales may look a little bit sad, possibly slumping to one side and collapsing. This is normal as the bales continue to decompose and shrink through the growing season. The bales can be propped up with boards and stakes. Here we've used an old pallet cut in half to make a fence on both sides of the bales to keep them upright. Since the bales often only last one growing season, we let the spent bales remain in place over the winter to continue to decompose. Then next spring, the bales can be dismantled and the old straw becomes mulch in our raised beds. Also, the compost inside the bales is used to enrich our beds and containers. Another alternative is to remove the nylon strings, the irrigation, and any other paraphernalia used to construct the straw bale garden. Then pile up all the remaining straw and compost and allow it to finish composting until the following spring. You can toss a handful or two of lawn fertilizer, remember, no herbicides in it, or organic nitrogen fertilizer on top of the pile. Turn the pile every few weeks and sprinkle the pile with water if the rains don't come. Fingers crossed that we get rain here in Northern California. The pile will finish decomposing most of the remaining straw particles over the winter months, and in the spring, the resulting compost is an amazing thing to behold. If you're fortunate to have the straw bales hold together after the summer crop is harvested and removed, you may be able to plant a cool season crop in the fall. We've been able to do this a few times. For example, we've been able to grow carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, chard, and Florence fennel. Straw bale gardening may not be for everyone, but our experience has been very positive, and it's fun to try something new. So it's next spring with new straw bales.
Thanks for joining us, Sacramento County Master Gardeners YouTube channel.